Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be working on an iPhone XR with a cracked screen, and then also the LCD is damaged as well. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and then show you the final result. So hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 13 minutes and 27 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone XR screen. Everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. So make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, our website, and also YouTube. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.